And this is our rugged.
Okay, and I've been working with BBC for so many years, and I can attest to the fact that what we do is nothing but excellent, top notch. Trust me, guys, you're gonna love me when it's out. Okay?
Plenty of English. Pleased to meet you, Lost Park. World famous.
Hello.
This is not
So are you proud that you're going to catch the famous Lord's Park today?
Oh yeah.
Oh.
And that's what we
And this
stand
one
for.
of the Lord's Park. Lord's Park, how are you feeling that this police are coming to raid your house?
Well, I mean, I think they are my people. We give them money to feed. So I don't see them coming to be a threat to me. I'll just go and talk to their boss, and before you know it,
It's not going to be business as usual today.
Yes, it's not going to be
are
as
going
usual
to
today because this is one of the most sophisticated operations we are going in for.
Oh,
And
really?
then we're going to bring you down.
really?
We're bringing you to books.
Yeah, we're bringing you to jail. We're bringing you to check.
Police
We're
officer.
bringing you to.
We are
You're going to be
ending
behind
your
bars.
terrorism today.
You're taking
It's gonna be.
This is Lord's Park English. Yeah, and this is Lord's Park Hausa.
Yeah, of course. I mean,
Yo.
I'm still doing this.
Jimmy Paul
What
and
is
I
not what I
Daily.
do?
This is Lord's Park Hausa, right?
Yeah.
Yau za mu kai ƙarshen ka. Allah yadda za mu nuna ma amfanin Nigerian police a ƙasar nan.
Dan uwa.
Yes, that's right.
Lost Park Hausa.
Yes. Ina ba ku kuɗin shayi za ku suke nuna dawo.
Ai,
We are doing this thing before now. Kai ka san da
Nigerian
haka.
police na da ka sani na yanzu ban canza.
Haba. Bari mu gani da zai faru.
Okay.
Lost Park.
Okay, let's back.
All right.